Got no tea, but that's been killing me. Trying to keep a blind down, calamity. Every 100 miles or so, shipping breaking me down, leaving me stranded dead, one horse town. In a one horse town. Parts and labor can cost an arm and a leg. I'm the kind of man plead obey. So I head on down to the local saloon. Girl said the man ain't in, but he'll be back soon. Yeah, be back soon. But when he walked in, he looked me over twice. Didn't say nothing, guess he couldn't find nothing nice. So I shifted my gaze to my guitar. Said the name's Dan Phillips, won't play your bar. Won't play your bar. Well, rolled his eyes and said, you can play for tips, but best not hear none of that voodoo bit. So I grabbed my drink and threw open my case. Took a long hard look around the place. For a friendly face. Few tunes in I stop, weaving my spell. Case filling up like a wishing well. Where I wish is about set the spell. Man pulled the sawed off from under the tail. And he was looking to kill. So I grabbed my cash and my falcon, ducked down out the back. Got to the garage bird coming off the rack. I jumped in through the kitchen, pile of wands. Said it's been real, man, but it ain't been fun. No, it ain't been fun. Yeah, it's been real, but it ain't been fun. That's the dead bird blues.